दोस्तों इन्वायरमेंट की स्टडीज़ हमारे लिए कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इसकी स्टडीज़ हमें क्या प्रोवाइड्स करती हैं, क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं, ये बताएँगे। Environmental studies provide basic knowledge of the environment to all individual and help in understanding present environmental projects. It helps us to know a more sustainable way of living and provide the necessary skill to solve environmental problems. It helps us to use natural resource more efficiently. What is environmental studies? Environmental studies is an interdisciplinary field that draw on knowledge and analytical tools from many areas of studies understand the function of natural ecosystem, the effects of human societies on the environment, and the role that environment has played in shaping human culture and artistic endeavors.